We are working with the Nora Alliance as our community partner to come up with inclusive urban design solution and strategies for Nora, which is a combination of neighborhoods in northern Indy. Our focus is on inclusive urban design. So our goal is to come up with projects that would not only encompass technical aspects of universal design, but also would include the more intangible aspects of inclusive design, like the role of society, the role of culture, the role of how we could police like an open space so all people would welcome in that space.
We took a bunch of different sources that we compiled from our research and turned those into different graphs so that we could graphically represent what our thoughts were.
We went and we visited the community in Nora, and we got to talk to some community members and just kind of hear about how they experience their community, what they love about their community, and just some problems and things they wanted to see change and kind of the infrastructure of their community.
What they have already, what they're lacking, what they do well, so whether it's creating safer streets, park space.
The economy of Nora, the demographics, the infrastructure, the ecology, and just really kind of see how these elements are serving the community of Nora and what they can do to do better to serve the community of Nora.
And so looking at each of those elements and how we can design for each person individually and then bring everything together to design holistically for everyone is essentially what we're trying to do and what we did in the literature reviews that we performed.
And we also define a specific urban projects, urban design projects that each student pick one, and they're actually now working on those projects.
There's a couple students chosen projects specifically along 86th Street. There's a lot of other students working with the Monon and strengthening the connection to that. Other ones doing more infrastructure trails and pedestrian access. And then there's people like me who are doing different parks and play areas to fill in that play gap that Nora seems to have as well.
This immersive learning course required a lot of group works and engagement with the community partner. I hope that they had this unique experience of working with a lot of stakeholders. I think working on this real-world project would help them to come up with more tangible designs rather than being more abstract.